Hello students, let's begin our class. So today we will continue with our topic data frame but with new functionality. Fine. Now we will talk about data frame and binary operator functions. Actually, Python Panda provide multiple functions to perform add, subtract, multiply and divide operation with the help of methods. So pandas provide different methods to perform these binary operation as well as some other related functions like radd function, rsub functions for carrying out binary operations on data frame. Fine. Now, first we have to understand the one thing that data frame has several binary operator functions. The binary operator functions always return a new data frame as a result of combining the two data frame. What it means? First we have to create a one data frame and then always binary operation perform on two component, then two data frames we have to create. As a result data frame give the new data frame. So now first we have to understand adding of two data frame. How we perform addition? In the data frame we can create two-dimensional data through the class data frame, and then we can perform the add method of pandas data frame class. How we can perform? By calling the add method. It is similar calling the operator plus. You know we can also use the plus operator for concatenations. Fine. Same like adding, we can perform the subtract operations on data frame. The similar things library provide the sub method of pandas data frame to subtract the element of one data frame from the element of another data frame. क्या समझ में आया इसमें? It means कि we are creating a two different data frame and out of them we are performing the functions like addition, subtractions, or we can also perform the multiplications on the different data frame by calling the multiplication method, as well as we can use the multiplication operators. Similar like we can also perform the division operations. So these four functions is called binary operation. Beside these operation we can also use the different operation which are related to binary operations. Now let us do all three functions practically in Python. So we will class in a form of practical. So create a new file. Now start it. First import library pandas as pd. Now create or import a library. Now first thing we have to create one data frame. Create a one data frame. I am using one variable, let's say d1 equals to, and then declaring a values, let's say yes, let's say I am taking 10 comma 20 comma 30. I am creating two dimensional. Then next stage another I am creating like we can take three values 4 comma 5 comma 6. It means two rows, three columns. Next one more I am creating like d2 equals to, I am taking variable d2 and then the values, let's say we can take 2 comma 3 comma 4. Fine. Now the next stage we are taking 8 comma 10 comma 20. Fine. Now we have created. Then after data frame, using the one data frame for data 1 equals to, use the operator pd dot choose data frame and then give the name of d1. Fine. Now created first data frame in the variable data1 and then data2 equals to pd dot data frame. Now choose the data frame and then define the name is D2. So now the thing is understand. In a slide we have understand ki we are creating a two different data frame, then after we are creating performing the binary operations. Then let's say we want to perform the addition operation, so I am taking a variable for result res, and then first data frame created within the variable data1, so I am using data1. Now you can use the function binary function add functions, so I am using the add function, and then add with the data 2, add with the data 2. Fine. Now I just want to take a printout, print, let's say D1, then print D2, print D2, and then result. Okay, result is stored in the variable res. Fine. Now check the output. Now save a file. Okay, fine. Binary operation, binary, binary oper, and then click on file. Now look at here, the printing 10, 20, 30. This is the first D1, 4, 5, 6. Second is 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 20. In the presentation slide, I have explained you that first we are creating a two data frames, and then after perform the binary operation, and the result will appear in the third data frame. Like you can understand 10 plus 2, yani addition performed between elements. I'll just increase the font size so that you can look at here now. Clear? Look at here. Now 10 plus 2, 12. 20 plus 3, 23. 30 plus 4, 34. Fine. 4 plus 8, 12. And then 5 plus 10, 15, 6 plus 20, 26. So what happened? It means we are creating two data frame and then adding the each element of every data frame, and the result display in a third data frame 0, 1, 2. This is the index. What is this? These are column index and these are row index. Now fine, this is the add function. Up suppose I want to perform the another operation, like I am using the multiplication, MUL, performing the function multiplication. Fine. Now look at here, 10 2 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 34 ja 120, 4 8 ja 32, 5 10 ja 50, 26 ja 120. So it means we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division. Now subtraction operations. Run this program, you can check the value. Now look at here, 10 minus 2 8, 20 minus 3 17, 30 minus 4 26. But 4 माइनस 8 यानी 8 किस में से माइनस हो रहा है? 4 में से, तो किसका आएगा? माइनस का 4. आउट ऑफ 5 माइनस 10, सो माइनस का 5, and then 6 minus 20, so display minus 14. Fine. Now we can perform another operation like division function. Division operations, look at here. Now you can find out 10 divided by 2. Fine. 20 divided by 3, 30 divided by 4, 4 divided by 8, 5 divided by 10, and 6 divided by 20. I am saying a few other functions also used for the binary operation like radd function, rsub function. So what is the difference between add or radd functions? I'll just show you the one example. This is the add functions. Now I am using another function so that you can understand the difference between addition and right hand side additions. Data 1 dot I am using function radd function. Radd. Okay, the radd means what is the radd? Right hand side addition. Fine. Now data 2. Data 2. Fine. Now we can check the output. Let's say print res1. Run this program. Now look at here, 10 or 2 12. Now you can check here, there is no difference. Do you feel ki there is no difference between addition function or radd function? Actually, right, r means right hand side. The addition start from the right hand side. So you feel there is no difference. Yes. Now you can check in place of addition multiplications. Actually, why there is no difference? I am saying 10 plus 2 or 2 plus 10, the output will be similar. If I am saying 20 plus 3 or 3 plus 20, the output once again came the similar 23. 30 plus 4, or if I am saying 4 plus 30, the output will be similar 34. There will be no change. So in the add function, same with the multiplications, I am saying mul, and then in place of radd I am using rmul. Now in the case of addition as well as multiplication, the output will appear similar. Why? If I am saying 10 multiplied by 2, the output will come 20. If I am saying 2 multiplied by 10, the output once again 20. But now you can understand the difference if you are performing the binary operations, subtractions or division. Then you can understand the difference between sub or r sub function. Now we can run this program, then you can understand what is the difference between right hand side. Now 10 minus 2 8, 20 minus 3 17, 30 minus 4 26. But now 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8, it means appear minus 4. 5 minus 10 minus 5, 6 minus 20 minus 14. Now look the difference between r sub, right hand side division. From now the division performed from the right hand side. So it means the 10 divided, it means from the minus 2. 2 से क्या कर रहा है, 10 का सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, तो क्या आउटपुट आएगा -8. 3 minus 20, so output will appear 17. 4 minus 30, then output is 26. Then 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, then output is 4. 10 minus 5, then output is 5. So this is the difference in the case if I am using in place of sub function r sub function. This similar with the you can use sub or use r sub as well as division as well r division. Look at here, div. Now you can feel the difference if you are performing the function r sub or r division. Check the program. Now look at here, 10 divided by 2, 5.0. Now just this is the reverse. You can check the output. 20 divided by 3, the output is 6 point something. 30 divided by 4, then output is 7.5. But this time when you are performing the r division function, it means the 2 divided by 10, 3 divided by 20. So now you can understand what is the difference if we are using the right hand side division, right hand side addition, subtraction or multiplication. So these binary operation we can perform on data frame. So now you can understand, first we have to create a 2 data frame, and then after we are performing the binary operation Which binary operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It means the each element of the data frame we are adding, subtracting, multiply or divide with the help of binary functions. What are the binary functions? Like add function, subtract functions, multiplication function or division functions. Beside these four functions, we can also use R add, R sub, R multiplication and R divide. It means indicate the right hand side functionality. So in this way we can create data frame or perform the binary operations. So always try to do the practical, complete this practical. Okay beta, bye bye, take care.